guys, welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, if you are seeing my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel where I always upload videos about web development, digital marketing and secret websites you need to know. If you are currently a subscriber, thank you for coming back. On this video I'll be showing you a secret website where you can download YouTube thumbnail for free without stressing yourself, and it's completely free website. Not to take your time, let me dive into the tutorial right now. Okay, the website name is called infiurl.site. okay, infiurl.site, that's the name of the website, and this website has a lot of features in it, which I'm just going to briefly talk about it. But the main focus of today is YouTube thumbnail downloader. So that's what we are going to. So this is the website. It's a free website that allows you to do everything in one platform. So they provide short links, bio page like link in bios, QR code for your business, payments, whatsoever, vCard, virtual card, where you don't need to give someone your number, just give them a link and we save your contacts on your number and your details on their phone. So it can allow you to transfer files and also upload HTML sites. They have a lot of features on this site, so you can go through them your free period one by one, as you can see. So one by one, and subsequently I'll be doing videos on each of them. Yeah, so but for today's video I'll be showing you the YouTube thumbnail downloader. So this is the feature. Go to miscellaneous tools and where you will see YouTube downloader. Under these tools they also have other features such as barcode reader, color picker, QR code reader and ESEF reader. So but today we are looking at the YouTube thumbnails downloader. So it's very simple. Click on it, then it should prompt you to upload the YouTube link that you want to download the thumbnail. So let's open any YouTube video. Okay, let me use this particular video.
I sense pain in your voice because you are gloryless. Nobody to.
All right. Yeah, as you can see, we have different size thumbnail. So if you want the smaller size, the medium size, high size, SD, and also in high quality HD. So see, it's very simple. So if you want to download it, just click on download, or you want to open it on another tab, or you want to copy it, whichever one. Yeah, it is. So you can download and download successfully to your downloader. So it's very easy and simple, and it's free. As you can see, it's free. So likewise, as you are checking this out, you can also check others out, like the JPEG to PNG, text to speech, and so much, and so on like that. So see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Where I'll be giving you latest updates every week. Thank you.